This is how we build a pneumatic oscillating cylinder in FluidSIM in under a minute. Let's go. The first thing we do is drag in our compressed air. We have to have compressed air or the cylinder's not going to move. The next thing we need is to have a double acting valve. So we go down to our valves and we find here our 5 two-way impulse valve. The next thing we need is our double acting cylinder. We can search for it and find it under pneumatic actuators. We're going to drag it in. The next thing we need is 2 roller valves. We can search for roller and find it here. One on the left, one on the right. Now we need to do our plumbing. Go from our air supply to the intake of our valve, and then from ports 4 and 2 to the 2 sides of the cylinder. Next, we're going to drag from our outputs of our roller valves onto our ports 1-4 and our ports 1-2, and finally take our supply lines back down to our supply. Okay, that's all the pneumatics done. Let's add our actuating labels. We're going to go into our cylinder, right click, choose actuating labels, and we'll add 2 labels. This is cylinder A, so we need an A- from 0 to 5 millimeters, and we need an A+ from 95 to 100 millimeters. Therefore, we've got one at the beginning and one at the end of the stroke. Finally, all we need to do is say that this roller valve is for our A- and this roller valve is for our A+. And just like that, we've finished our project. Let's simulate it and see if it works. Perfect. And that's how you do an oscillating cylinder in FluidSIM in under a minute. Make sure you like and subscribe to get more top tips from DSL on automation, PLC programming, and much, much more.